Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am having Porto'S, so let's dig right in because I'm starving. I just want to apologize in advance because I forgot what this is. I've never had it before though, and I feel like if I show you guys the inside of it, you guys can figure it out later. And I can actually just put it in the description afterwards. First bite. I'm gonna take a bite of this little pointy end. Oh my gosh. It tastes like mashed potatoes and chicken. So I think this does like something with chicken. I don't remember, but chicken something for sure. It just tastes like really nicely seasoned mashed potatoes. Oh my gosh. It's so good. Now I'm regretting not getting more of those. So this is officially the last mukbang that I'm doing in California before I leave to Chicago. And I decided on Porto'S just because it's one of my most loved foods that's in Cali. So yeah, I felt like it was perfect. And then after this, I'm gonna pack everything up. And then we're gonna head out in about, I think like 2 days or a day. 2 days. Look at my cup, guys. One of my dear friends got me this for Christmas. I have in here the KOS red juice blend. It's so freaking good, guys, and it gives me so much energy without caffeine. I just love this cup so much. Hmm. I've been still really into ASMR, so whenever I find like anything, I just practice on it. I hope this is good. I feel like it is. This is the meat pie. This one I just remember it being very crumbly. No meat yet. Mm. I'm trying really hard not to smack my lips right now, but because of the texture of that pastry, it's hard to because it feels like it's all over my lips. Mm. So I definitely want to vlog most of the road trip because this is the first time I'm going to be on the road for more than a day, I guess. It's going to be about, I think like 4 or 5 days or something. And then we're going to stop at so many places I've never been before, so I'm so excited. But then I also still have the Sedona vlog I still need to edit and post, but I've just been so lazy. I like editing my mukbangs better than vlogs because vlogs are so much harder, so much more tedious. But I will definitely do it someday. This is the cheese roll. Mm. So good. Mm. last bite. All right, that is as much as I'm going to try to achieve for now. I already feel it trying to digest, but I always have to rate Porto's a 5. Today, actually, surprisingly, I wasn't so amazed by the potato balls like I always do every single time I have it, but that's because by the time it got to me, it's cold. So I can't blame Porto's. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe. Also turn on push notifications, and I'll see you next time. Peace.